Are you a CPA in Colorado? Staying CPE compliant is critical to keeping your license active.
Colorado CPE requirements ensure CPAs stay ethical, informed, and professionally competitive. CPE runs on a 2-year cycle, from January of an even year to December of the following odd year. Licenses expire November 30, and renewal is due by December 31 of odd-numbered years. Colorado CPAs must complete 80 total CPE hours every 2 years, no annual minimum required. At least 4 hours must be Ethics CPE. Up to 2 hours can be Colorado. Online courses are unlimited. Teaching, publishing, and panels count, up to 40 hours combined. Keep CPE records for 5 years. If audited, documentation must be submitted within 30 days.
CPE exemptions may be granted for health, military service, or other valid reasons.
CPE isn't just compliance, it's career growth. Plan ahead, stay organized, and keep